MTDCNC, bringing you the latest engineering news, reviews, events and special offers via video media.
So Martin, this is the M series of machines, which means Millturn.
Yes, that's right, yeah. So we looked at the T series before, which is turning machines. The M series is WFL's Millturn range.
So what is the type of milling capability that you've actually got with this machine?
Well, basically WFL, the emphasis is on Millturn, and it's clamp once, machine complete. So taking parts like you see on there and trying to machine all the features in one clamping.
And is it HSK, BT on the milling side?
It's generally HSK or Capto.
So the M120, the 120 denotes the swing. What about turning length?
Well, this model starts at 2 metres between centres, and you've got several options then up to a maximum of 8 metres between centres.
And the part that we've actually got on this machine really does demonstrate the capability, doesn't it? I mean, that's something else.
Absolutely, yeah. You'll see various features on there, a lot of mill features, and obviously the emphasis on this particular application is the boring capability of the machine.
Let's go into that, because I know here that you've got a boring bar which isn't held in the carousel, it's actually a component of the machine.
That's correct, yeah. There's several options with boring. You can have up to 900 millimetres using your HSK or Capto spindle. Then you've got the prismatic heavy-duty boring bar option, which is sort of up to 1.8, 1.9 metres. This particular machine has got, as you'll see on there, a boring bar holder which is 2 metres long, and then we can tool change with the HSK or Capto an extra 900 millimetres. So this machine's got the capability of boring 2.9 metres deep.
And it's quite neat and tidy as well. I mean, it's positioned out of the working envelope, so you can kind of call it in as and when you need it.
That's exactly it. I mean, when you're not using the long boring bar attachment, it parks at the rear of the machine, above the tailstock, so it's completely out of the way, not inhibiting all the other machine functions. Now,
with boring to that sort of depth, how do you go about swarf clearance and things like that? You've got a high pressure coolant?
Yeah, WFL have developed high pressure coolant systems up to 350 bar. Which is pretty powerful, because if you're 2.5 metres down a hole of titanium, you need to get the swarf out, but also you need to break the swarf as well, so the high pressure helps break the chips and evacuate them.
I note there that you said about titanium. Is that the type of material or the type of application that you would generally be looking at machining on this type of machine?
Not really. I mean, we tend to deal with the more exotic materials. I mean, the titanium, for example, was very much on sort of landing gear type components.
So we're talking about industries now then as well, so aerospace?
Yeah, aerospace, very big in aerospace, also oil and gas, energy markets. That's typically the sort of markets that we're working in.
And with the tool changer, how many can you is that modular as well? So you can say you want to opt for 30 tools, 60 tools, 90 tools, or?
There's various options. This particular machine, I think we've got to maybe 120 tools, 180 tools, or producing systems now where we can go 200 and above.
And it is a fairly niche market that you'll be attacking with this. You won't be selling one of these every day of the week.
Well,
you might
I would like to, yeah, absolutely, yeah. No, I mean, it's very much application driven.
So here we've got obviously a multi-axis machine. We've got a U-axis in operation there, and we've got a B-axis head and a Y-axis.
That's correct, yeah. The U-axis you'll see there, that enables you to turn, to produce turn features at various angles. So you haven't got to rotate the part as you would traditionally do for a turned application. The part is stationary, but you can produce turn features using your B-axis for position and your Y-axis to drive the out-facing head.
Can you do contouring on this machine with the B-axis and the Y-axis at the same time while you're machining?
Absolutely, yeah. It's it's got full 5-axis capability, so you can actually do turn milling applications using all the axes of the machine.
For more videos, products and news, go to mtdcnc.com or follow MTD Online on Twitter.